so this is now moving into the bedroom. What I like about the room is it's very large. There's plenty of space in here, plenty of room if you wanted to have a desk in here and work in here, but equally loads of storage space. I know I actually said that this earlier this was the dining room, but I'm going to show you what else is actually behind here. You can pull down this fully sprung bed, turning the flat into a proper two-bedroom flat, ideal for guests coming to stay at the weekend. Pull across this sliding glass wall with ease, which just means you keep all the light, but you've got a totally self-contained guest room.